Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vanilla French beignets. First, gather all your ingredients including flour, sugar, yeast, and milk. Ensure your workspace is clean and organized for a smooth cooking experience. We'll then move on to preparing the dough, allowing it to rise perfectly. Finally, we'll fry them to a golden crisp and dust with powdered sugar. Let's start by activating our yeast. Combine warm milk, yeast, and a small amount of sugar, letting it sit for a few minutes. Then, gradually mix in your flour, eggs, and melted butter until a smooth dough forms. Knead this dough for about 5 minutes to develop its elasticity. Finally, cover it and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours until it doubles in size. Once your dough has beautifully risen, gently roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thick. Use a knife or pizza cutter to create 2-inch squares or rectangles. Now, heat your vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few dough pieces into the hot oil, frying them for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they puff up and turn a lovely golden brown. As your beignets finish frying, remove them from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Let them cool just slightly, but don't wait too long. The magic happens when you generously dust them with a mountain of powdered sugar. Serve these delightful treats warm for the absolute best flavor and that irresistible melt-in-your-mouth texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.